Hello and welcome to this episode of Vegan Vendredi, part of a series on balance in nature. You can follow us on natureman.ca. Today, Paula Jo is going to show you how to make delicious vegan breakfast, tofu scrambled egg substitute with home fries, potatoes, baked beans, and sauteed onions. Paula Jo, would you like to show us how to make this beautiful dish?
Thanks, Dennis. So the big thing for me about going vegan was, how am I still going to have my big, delicious breakfast that I love? And one of my favorite things is going out for breakfast or having a big Sunday breakfast. So I can still do that. And at first I was a little shy of tofu, but then once I gave it a try, I went, whoa, this is delicious, and it tastes exactly like eggs. In fact, tofu can make you can make tofu taste like anything you want it to with flavoring, pretty much. So we have our frying pan on low with some coconut oil. We're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper down, maybe just like I would do if I was making real scrambled eggs. So we've got that going. And here's what we're going to start with. We have some tofu that I've just cut up in a slice, some garlic powder, some turmeric, and I like to use a little bit of thyme because thyme is something that we add to meats, and eggs is kind of like in the meat category. So we're going to try and make it taste kind of like eggs, okay? So whether you're, doing real scrambled eggs or these tofu, avocado goes beautifully with this. So we're gonna get our tofu here. We've got some more. This is firm tofu. Don't have to do anything special. Just open up the package, slice it, and put it in. It looks like this. I'm just gonna mash it up a bit, and then that's gonna give us our kind of scrambled look. So you can see that when we do this kind of mashing, it almost looks like scrambled eggs. So the more we keep going, the more it starts to look like scrambled. And in goes the turmeric. That's going to give us our yellow color. Garlic powder and some thyme. It's going to be delicious. Whenever I do any kind of trying to simulate a meat flavor, I use a little bit of smoked paprika. So just a little bit of smoked paprika in there. Gonna mix that all up. And we're gonna put an avocado in there. Super, super simple. Get the baby out of there. And scoop that in as well. So let's just use this much for now. Mix it all up. So really, these things don't really need to get cooked. They just need to get heated. So we're just gonna put those all in the frying pan. Garlic powder, turmeric, and a little bit of thyme on our coconut oil with salt and pepper. Mix that all up. So you see there, it's almost looking like scrambled eggs. Basically, that is the extent of it. The only thing we need to do is get this until it's warm enough to eat. And we're just going to keep mixing it up. Now, that's how we make it. This is a small version. Dennis and I ate most of it earlier because it was so delicious. But this is kind of like your finished product. And you've got some beans and your home fries with toast. That is a delicious vegan breakfast with tofu scramble. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. That sounds marvelous, delicious, nutritious, and healthy. And remember, as you're observing this beautiful dish again, and as we zoom in on our mascot, Mr. Moose, who's a vegan, the number one thing you can do to help save the planet is to stop eating meat, eggs, and dairy products. Until the next time, happy vegan lifestyle, and follow us on natureman.ca. Thank you.
Thank you.